In today's video, we're going to have a look at 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are high demand, low competition. We're going to break down these keywords for you. Now, if you have yet not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and also click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. Let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And the first keyword is anxiety relief word search puzzle book for adults. Now, this is a keyword that's about a word search puzzle book. It's for adults, and it has word searches related to anxiety relief, so relieving anxiety. And there are a couple of bestsellers. There are a couple of books that are completely independently published that are also selling quite well. First of all, we have the total results of 347. We have the keyword niche score of 37. Total results are under 1,000. Average bestseller rank is a little bit too high, but you could also be able to niche down and break that number. So we've got the average bestseller rank of 514,494. Also, the average reviews are 306, and the average price is $8.82. And there are books that are selling, as you can tell here. We would avoid the ones, my apologies, we would avoid the ones that are sponsored because there is ads running, yet this one is selling for $9.99, and it is they're using the exact same keyword for the title, and for the subtitle they're using inspirational puzzle book for adults, teens and seniors, mindful and good vibes. Absolutely beautiful. 3,600 words. Also, the quantity does matter. The more you'll be able to provide inside the book, the more word searches you'll be able to provide, the better it is. This one's 3,600 words. This one's 2,400 words. We have 2,000 words. We have 3,000 right over here. So the more you'll be able to provide, the better. Also, the cover does sell when it comes to books like this, because inside the contents, it's going to be all word searches. Not much not much work needs to be put inside the interior apart from the accuracy of the word searches, but there needs to be a lot of effort put on the actual cover, and that would sell quite well. Also, with books such as these, you do need preferably books to be 8.5 times 11 inches large print, because the larger it is, the better when it comes to these. Some people do prefer books to be 6x9, but that's not the majority of the people, because they want it to be more of a travel size where they could just put it into their bag and they take it on trips and so forth. So see what works for you. You could also niche down based on the types of adults, such as based on the career, for nurses, for students, for doctors, for all like office workers, anything like that. If that's what you are looking for, you could also be able to specialize in like niche down based on the sizes. You could create a series where you would have an 8.5 times 11 large print size, and then you'd have the same or a similar book with a little bit tweaks here and there, but at a size of 6x9 inches, and that would be more of a serious type book that way. So let's have a look to see if there's any sort of templates available at Creative Fabrica. Now, below you could easily get a 30-day trial, all access trial to Creative Fabrica for 30 days linked below. Also, we do have a 30-day free trial to Canva Pro, which I use for editing the templates that I get. And for this, we do have 2 results. This one being more accurate. They offer the solutions, and they're basically 30 pages of word searches. Let's see how much words there are, and let's see if they have made a note of how many words. They've just included the 30 pages, but as you can tell here, each page has over, I think, estimate around 20 words. So you can do the math right over here. And you could use that, you could change it around. You could also use some software to help you create word searches. And I know some YouTubers have been talking about some software to help in creating unique word search puzzle books. I have not tried that before, so I'm not able to talk on that, but do know that this is something that does exist and it is used. That way you don't need to use templates and so forth. Yet this is something that needs an extra investment. So if you're just starting out and if you just want to start out using free resources, then the 2 links below in the description box, as well as pinned in the comments, for the 30-day free trial to Creative Fabrica and Canva Pro is where you want to start. But yet anything extra, anything like investing in a word search puzzle software, investing in any sort of other software or Chrome extension would be a bonus for you that way, and it would certainly help, to be honest. Now let's have a look at the second keyword for today's video, and the second one is 2024 budget planner. 2024 budget planner has a keyword niche score of 39, total results are 1,658. The bestseller rank is under 300,000 and it is averaging at 189,553. The average reviews are 1,957 and the average price is $1.30. So this is a great 2024 niche. You do need to start from now. There are books that are selling under this niche that are related to 2024. They are selling as of now. It's best to start around this time because books do take around 2 to 3 months to actually rank in the search engines, rank in the Amazon algorithm as well. And it would be wise for you to see, okay, there will be a lot of budget planners that are related to 2024. How could your one stand out? One way you could stand out is offer, yes, a planner, a workbook at the same time, and also more of actual information to do with financing and to do with budget planning as well. Maybe some tactics. Maybe you would offer some strategies in between your actual planner books. Maybe some financial motivational quotes to help with motivating people to actually plan their budgets and how good it is and that kind of stuff. Maybe you could have a screenshot of an already filled in budget sheet or budget worksheet out of the actual book, and you could kind of have that in the beginning of your book to demonstrate how you can actually fill it in correctly and do the math correctly. So think about how you can offer more value apart from what the majority is doing, just a simple budget planner and moving forward like that. So let's go here. I'm sure there is a lot of budget planners, but we're going to specifically look at 2024 budget planners, 24 budget planner, and see what we could come up with. Now, all the templates are available for commercial use, but you also need to edit them using Canva Pro or whatever software you rely on. Just simply upload as PDF to Canva Pro or Affinity Designer or Affinity Publisher, and then tweak and change as you see necessary. This one, for example, is a Canva template, and it is for the budget planner. So in between these sheets, I would add some strategies, make it, look nice as well, and really add some valuable strategies, some valuable advice in between these sheets as well. It's something to look forward to for the customer. Now let's have a look at the third keyword, and the third one is grounding journal with prompts, and the keyword niche scored 29. The total results are below 1,000, sitting at 223. Average bestseller rank is quite high, sitting at 781,419, but you could break through that and take advantage of this keyword by sub-niching as well. Sub-niching and standing among the crowd and creating more of a medium content book rather than just a lined book with some prompts in there as well. Sub-niching according to the age, the gender, the specific purpose of purchase, such as grounding journal with prompts to help with spiritual awakening, or to help with positive vibes, or for releasing negative thoughts or whatever it is. And you could use ChatGPT to help with the prompts. Always remember to rewrite them, always remember to tweak them, never copy and paste as is. You could also use Creative Fabrica. Now we're going to go ahead and check to see if there's any templates available there. And you would need to highly advise to add a how to use page. For example, you add an introduction page to grounding. What is grounding? How to use it effectively, the benefits of grounding. And that way I do have a a actual template that I did that's available at my store, and you could access that. It's the grounding journal with prompts, and this is just an example. So what we would find is the how to use page, which gives you a step-by-step instructions on how to use the book, and it contains what is grounding and explains the concept of grounding. We also have the importance of grounding. We have the grounding incense and grounding gemstones. These are basically like aids or tools to help with grounding. Then we have maybe like the colors to do with helping you feel calm and balanced, which is the purpose of grounding. And we have a section about breathing exercises to help with grounding, the self-care checklist to help you feel more grounded, as well as the grounding worksheets that you can apply the knowledge that you've learned in the explanatory sections into the worksheets themselves as well. And 8.5 times 11 inch. I will link this in the description box below if you guys are interested. Now let us have a look at the next keyword, and the next keyword is homeschool planner for multiple kids. Homeschool planner for multiple kids has a total results under 1,436, and the average bestseller is 316,526, so it's around that 300,000 mark. Also, the average reviews are 1,423, and the average price is $6.99. I'm going to go ahead and ignore the 21 given by Self-Publishing Titans for the keyword niche score and stick to the number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this as a nice niche. Now, number 9 is the highest. I'm pretty happy with number 8, and it beautifully complements the data that we have here. Total results under 1,000, bestseller rank around the 300,000 mark. Homeschool planner for multiple kids, amazing niche, really profitable in terms of, the sales going on. A lot of parents are homeschooling. A lot of parents are starting to homeschool their children every single year. New parents are homeschooling their children. It's a big thing, mostly in the UK as well as in America as well, and in some parts of Canada and Australia. So you could also see if there is any sort of, you could also niche down to 2024. If you do have this Chrome extension, the Amazon Suggestion Expander Pro, you can go ahead and get that, or just use the simple one, not the Pro version, because the Pro does cost. You could use a simple free version of Amazon Suggestion Expander, and then you could have a look at the dates such as 2024, the homeschool teacher planner for multiple kids, and so forth. So now I'm just going to copy and paste this, head over to Creative Fabrica and see is there any kind of interiors for that. There's nothing under this, so I'm going to go for homeschool planner. And we have the 2024 to 2025 homeschool planner. We've got another 2025 homeschool planner. There is a general homeschool planner, but you do need to customize it to fit for multiple children. So this, for example, is for one child only, these examples. So have a look at the interior, have a look to see, okay, what do I need to add in order for it to allow the data to be inputted for more than one child, multiple children, not two children, multiple. What tweaks or what changes do I need to add? And most of them are Canva templates, so you can easily, just with a link, you can easily change them in Canva without having the need to upload the full PDF. So just as a quick summary, we had a look at 5 of the keywords in today's video. Anxiety relief word search puzzle book for adults, which has a keyword niche score of 37, beautiful data, and 2024 budget planner, which has a keyword niche score of 39, grounding journal with prompts. And we had a look at the homeschool planner for multiple kids. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you have enjoyed today's content, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.